measure the area in here to get some wood ordered, and we are going to be scraping all of this old paint. It might have lead in it, so we're wearing masks, and we will then paint it with a stain for bricks. So that is our goal today. All right, let's get to it.
So we're getting ready to measure for the floor now. We have sealed the floor with permacrete made by PPG. Not easy to come by, I've noticed, but it is available through some PPG outlets. It's an excellent product because it's not a paint, it's actually a stain, so that you don't seal up the concrete. Well, not concrete, I should say, brick needs to breathe, so the stain is a good choice for the concrete we're about to eventually paint, stain. But concrete you definitely want to seal as much as possible. And of course we're putting a vapor barrier down too, as you will see. Vapor barriers have to be thick plastic, they can't be thin, flimsy stuff. So you want to get a nice thickness for your vapor barrier. We're going to start with the bathroom area, measuring for the wood floor joists. So that's where we're starting. So I'm going to plumbers can definitely go into the floor if they want to, but you save money by not having that happen, and one way to do that is to elevate the floor so they can run the pipes underneath the wooden floor and not have to demo any concrete. So we're using 12-inch tall floor joists for the bathroom area.
Hi everybody, can you pause this video real quick and hit like and subscribe and your phone notification so you don't miss any episodes of Tom and I redoing this beautiful historic dry cleaners establishment into an art studio and home of our dreams. Thank you. Now back to the video.
Kitchen area as part of the apartment. We don't want to cover up this window, so we're just going to go up as far as the plumbers need to go, again, to run pipes for a sink. So these are also going to be 2x6s. So, and again, we're raising the floor up by 12 inches for the pipes to run through. The only holes the plumber has to make are through this wall and through this wall, and it's going to run to a brand new waste pipe that goes all the way out to the street. So. I need 3 of those. 3 by 2 by 6.
3 by 2 by 6.
By 6.
3 by 2.
By 6. 3 numbers. 3 by 2 by 6. And I'll have 3 numbers in the measurements.
But how many do you need of them?
3 of them. 2 by 6 by 6. Okay, now we're going to do the walls in here.
Okay. Oh, measure the walls. I thought we were going to scrape. All right, come on. measurements done for the walls and the floors that we want to do in this stage. So we will call in those measurements to our hardware store, and hopefully the wood will be delivered within a couple of days, and we will start on the floor. Going to end for today. It is so super hot in this gear. It's so humid here. Plus we need to get a shorter ladder, actually a shorter one, to get up high. This ladder that we have is just way too long. So we're gonna end it for tonight, and we will finish up later on. Subscribe and hit the notification so you can see us when we post a new video. All right, take care. Bye.